Greetings, YouTube Earthlings! So we have a little change of scenery. We are getting ready to head out of here. It's Saturday night. I'm gonna go home, and I am wasting a little bit of personal time here at the office, and we will be doing probably some more videos in the upcoming days. I've got a couple things I wanted to talk about with the Amazon, and then some eBay stuff for upcoming quarters that are steadily approaching us. So there's also too a June 4th is coming up, and I have a workshop presentation I need to give. And in the midst of that, I'm going to be talking about how to get on Amazon. I just got a message from a friend of mine who had to go through the new steps of getting a account on Amazon, and he just messaged me moments ago saying that he finally got through after a week of going through all the hoops and everything that they've put him through. I've only been on it since January. I think actually selling on January. I opened it in December of 2018. I didn't have to go through all that bank statements and all that stuff for some reason. I don't know. I've had it a little easier a couple months back. So anyway, we got some Soldier. It's you and me, and it's always been. Turn this up. And now I need you around you. There's no end. Make me face your mouth. I don't even know the words to the song, but it's such a good tune. Soldier, You and Me, featuring Chris Boomer. Check it out. Great tune. Love it. Another one that I enjoy listening to when I'm working is called The Loved Ones. It's called Sail Away. And then there's Landon McNamara. I think I got his name right. It's island music, reggae. Landon is from Hawaii. I'm not sure where... Lilian Wolfgram, too, is singing with Loved Ones. And she's from Hawaii, too, so... If you guys want to listen to some relaxing music while you work, check that stuff out. It's great tunes, man. I love it. It's under a channel called Sugar Shack there on YouTube. But anyway, guys, I got to get going. I wanted to say hi. I miss you. I think we're still at like 47 subscribers. I'm happy with that. I was doing a scrub real quick. I was doing a scrub of some of my videos, and I did a review on the printer. And apparently... people aren't happy with that. And you know what? Good. Because I don't care. You know what? That printer that I have, that HP, whatever, I don't remember off the top of my head. That thing has been great. And if people are really looking for a review, then go buy one. Okay? If you don't like it, return it. I don't get people these days. But... I did say in the title it was a review, but I've got more dislikes than I got likes. But whatever, can't please everybody. But anyway, the hustle is the grind. Like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. I'll see you guys next time. When we say sail away, I want to sail away. Hey, yeah. Do you wanna sail away? Which me, brah. Take 'em easy.